This is Professor Chicago Al Moles and his world famous farting cat. And she talks too. But she farts really good. And she farts on command. Her name is Puppy. Puppy, could you fart now? Very good, Puppy. Could you fart some more? Very, very nice, Puppy. Could you fart with a rhythm? Very good. Could you fart with a particular song? Yeah, I can fart with a particular song. What song do you want me to fart to? How about let me guess. I don't know that song. Do you know any other ones? I don't know that one either. I think you need to work on your technique. I don't have to work on nothing. I do whatever I want. If I want to fart, fart. I don't need a technique. It comes out naturally. Okay.